So today my Instapot Vortex air fryer just arrived and I'm really excited to get started using it. So we're just going to do an unboxing and take a look at what it comes with when it first ships to you. So on this side it looks like it makes really nice Brussels sprouts with an even crisp technology. And they say it's compact and mighty, so let's see how compact it is in truth, because this box is actually quite large. Oh. So it's just got a little card advertising their air purifier. Recipe card, join the community card, I guess, some instructions, but these are in French. And there she is. So she's quite sleek and stylish, and looks like she'll fit on the counter quite nicely. There's enough space between the cabinet and the device unit. And then we'll just take these tabs off and open it up. All right, so some other things still inside, including some cardboard. So you'll want to take those extra things out because they are flammable. And here's the getting started guide in English. So we'll keep that handy as well. And then the non-stick base plate. And it's got a little handle so that when it's inserted in the bottom, you can actually take it out after when you need to clean it. And if you can tell, along the edges here, there are these silicone feet so that this can sit right down in the bottom of your unit without scratching. And then there is a bit of a gap between that base plate and the bottom of the unit so that you're able to catch that grease without your food sitting in it. Okay, so there's not too much to look at with this unit, but I do like how just simple and clean it is. There aren't a lot of different colors and, distractions. It's just a really nice looking unit. So I'll turn it on and see how that initial power up works. Okay. So it's got all the different settings and time and temperature, reheat and bake. So it is a 4-in-1. It's able to air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. I got this unit because I do like the fact that it has different variation in temperature settings, not just between 200 and 400, but I believe it goes down to 95. So you could potentially like slowly dehydrate things as well. Let me see here. And it says not to place it on top of your stovetop, but on a stable level surface away from combustible materials and external heat sources. Okay. So if I touch air fryer, I can switch the dial. Oh, temperature. So it's touch screen display. So up to 400, or let's see where it goes down to. Okay, so for air frying, it'll only go down to 180. So if we did reheat and we did temperature, it will go down to 120. Okay. And what if we did bake and temp? Okay, 180. And what about roast and temp? These are really sensitive touch buttons. They're really nice, actually. This whole surface is very smooth. Oop, my mistake. It's very sensitive, as you can tell, but it's nice to the hand touch. Okay, so it looks like 120 is the lowest temperature setting we can get down to, but that's still great. I like to have that variation. And then for time, let's start at the bottom. We can go down to 1 minute and go all the way up to, I guess, several hours. That's why they have the additional space for hours. Okay, so that's the basic control panel. I will have to get to know this unit a little bit better, but right out of the box, I'm impressed. It looks really sleek and clean, and I like the surface material, as well as just how like neat it looks on the countertop. I may find a spot for this on our shelf instead for storage, but for right now, I do like how it looks on the countertop. Next, I will go ahead and cook up something really simple just to see how it works and how quickly we can get a meal on the table. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this video and wash it and get it prepared for cooking. So thanks for spending a couple minutes with me checking out this new unit. If you're interested in seeing how it performs with a meal, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button or check out the video on my channel, and I hope to see you later. All right, bye.